Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your age on your Google account. So if Google is asking you to confirm your age or your account is flagged, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Google account on your phone or computer and log in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Personal Info section. Here, look for your birthday or date of birth, then tap on it. If your birthday is incorrect, tap to edit it and enter the correct date. If Google needs you to verify your age, you'll see a message asking you to do so. Tap Verify. Now you'll see a few verification options. You can confirm your age using a valid ID, a credit or debit card, or any other method Google provides. Just follow the on-screen instructions and upload the required information. Don't worry, Google only uses this info to confirm your age. Once everything is submitted, Google will process your verification. You'll get a confirmation message, and your account will be updated with your verified age. And that's it. Following these steps ensures Google recognizes your correct age and removes any restrictions.